Hi everyone, I'm Adrian from Flow Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new Canards on the GR86. Let's go. Okay, before we get into our install, I just want to explain a little bit about our product. When you get our Canard kit, you'll receive the Canards, die cut double-sided tape, alignment template for both sides, and all the mounting hardware you'll need. With our kit, we do offer two different installation methods. We offer a tape-only application, and we also offer a mechanical fastening with nut and bolt for those of you who wish to have a little bit of extra security. Today we're going to show you both installation methods. So with that all said and done, let's get to it. Okay, first step of today's install is we want to clean the surface of the car. We want to make sure that we clean all dirt and grease off the car. That way we get the best bond between our double-sided tape and the car. Okay, now that we got the car clean, we want to go ahead and put up our template to the car. Got a few pieces of tape here already prepped, ready to go. What you're going to want to do is match the cutout around this portion of the indicator and the bumper, and also match the body lines to the fold lines on the template. For those of you who are choosing to go with a mechanical fastening with a nut and bolt, we do need to get access within the bumper and take out a few parts just so that we can mount our hardware. We're going to go ahead and show you that now. Okay, to start with, we're going to take out these two clips using a trim remover tool. Okay, next step is there is 3 clips here to the front portion of the wheel liner that we want to take out. There's one here, and one in the very corner. Okay, now that we have access to within the bumper, there is a little vent component that we want to take out. It's held in by 2 clips, actually 4. We've already removed 2, so now we just want to remove the other 2. You can either go from underneath the front bumper to get this out, or you can go from within the wheel liner if you turn the wheel and take out a few more clips towards the top corner of the bumper. For those of you who are going with a mechanical fastening option, we have these die cut holes in the template. You're going to want to grab a 4.5mm drill bit and drill out those holes. The owner of this car has opted for a double-sided tape only option, so we're going to skip that and we can proceed to pull out these perforated cutouts for our canard support locations. Okay, so next step in the install is we're going to prep our canard supports before installing them onto the car. For those of you who have gone with a mechanical fastening, you'll see that there are some markings on the canard supports. They're drill points, so you'll want to take a 4.5mm drill bit and drill out those holes so that you're able to use a nut and bolt. For today, we're going to skip that option because our owners opted for a double-sided tape only method. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean up our canard supports with the supplied alcohol swabs. We're also going to apply some adhesion promoter to give our double-sided tape the best bond. And we're going to fit in our brackets. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. So the important thing to note is when you're assembling the brackets, you want to make sure that the threaded edge is hanging over the textured portion, not facing inwards towards the double-sided tape. Okay, now that we got our canard supports all prepped, we're ready to go ahead and prep the car. At this point, if you've gone with the mechanical option, you will have holes drilled in here, and you'll also have holes drilled through your canard support. This owner's gone double-sided tape, so we haven't got that, but we'll go ahead and put this all on the car now. And now we've got our canard supports installed on the car, we can remove the template and start to attach the dive planes. You'll notice on the dive planes that there is a pocket underneath. If you align that to the bracket and then tighten down the countersunk M4 screws, bolts supplied, it'll pull it down in place and you should get a nice fit. Okay, we've got our canards installed. They're giving it a little added aggression. The canard setup will look the exact same if you've gone for a mechanical option. Hope this video has been helpful. If you're interested in any of the products, link will be in the description below, and thanks for watching.